August 24, 2022. The thin lunar crescent appears above Venus and below the Gemini Twins before sunrise. Mars and Jupiter shine during the morning sky. After sunset, Jupiter and Saturn are in the eastern sky. Chart caption, 2022, August 24. The slender moon appears above Venus in the eastern sky before daybreak. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 6:08 a.m. CDT, sunset, 7:37 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Here is the planet forecast for today. Morning sky. A thin crescent moon is low in the east-northeast during morning twilight. The slight sliver is only 8% illuminated. The earlier in twilight that this slice is spotted, the easier it is to see Earthshine in the lunar night. Photo caption, Crescent Moon, February 27, 2022. Sunlight reflects from Earth's oceans, clouds, and land to gently illuminate the moon's nighttime. From the moon, Earth is bright and nearly full, 92% illuminated. The view is highlighted with a binocular and captured with a tripod-mounted camera, set for exposures up to a few seconds. 1 hour before sunrise, the waning crescent moon is below the Gemini Twins, Castor and Pollux and about 20 degrees above Venus. The morning star is slowly slipping back into bright twilight and likely a challenge to see with neighborhood trees and buildings. At the same time, bright Sirius is low in the east-southeast, slightly higher than Venus. Procyon, the little dog star, is between Venus and Sirius, but higher than both of them. Chart caption, 2022, August 24. During morning twilight, Mars is with Taurus, below the Pleiades star cluster. Mars, the second bright planet in the morning sky, is nearly 2/3 of the way up in the southeast. It marches eastward in Taurus toward a conjunction with Aldebaran on September 7. Chart caption, 2022, August 24. Through a binocular, Mars appears with the Pleiades and 37 Tauri, 37 Tau. This morning it is below the Pleiades. It appears in the same binocular field with the star cluster, 5.8 degrees below Alcyone, the stellar bunch's brightest star. Mars is moving toward the star 37 Tauri, 37 Tau on the chart, passing 2.6 degrees to the lower right of the star on August 27. Chart caption, 2022, August 24. Jupiter is in the southwest before sunrise. Bright Jupiter, the third bright morning planet, is about halfway up in the sky above the southwest horizon. The Jovian giant is retrograding in Cetus, soon to move into Pisces. Retrograde motion is an illusion from Earth overtaking and passing planets beyond Earth's orbit. The line of sight from Earth to the planet normally moves eastward compared to the sidereal background as the two planets revolve around the Sun. As our world overtakes and passes between the planet and the Sun, the line of sight moves westward for a period of time. This year Jupiter retrogrades for 118 days while Saturn retrogrades during 140 days. Saturn is nearly impossible to see at this time. It is just above the horizon in the west-southwest, hiding in the dense atmosphere. Near the horizon, the atmosphere dims stars, planets, moon, and sun. At Saturn's brightness, it is virtually out of sight. On the 28th, Venus rises as Saturn sets, making the separation official. The next maximum separation or opposition between two bright planets is with Venus and Jupiter on October 1. This morning the separation is nearly 128 degrees. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2022, August 24. Jupiter and Saturn are in the eastern sky during the evening. Saturn is rising before sunset. An hour after sundown, it is nearly 15 degrees up in the southeast. An hour later, Jupiter is low in the east with Saturn higher in the southeast. Like Jupiter, Saturn is retrograding near Deneb al-Jidi and Nashira. Through a binocular locate the planet and the named stars with the star Iota Capricorni, Iota Cap on the chart. Chart caption, 2022, August 24. Through a binocular, Saturn is with the stars in eastern Capricornus. Mars rises over 2 hours after Jupiter. After midnight, Saturn, Jupiter and Mars are along an arc from the south-southwest to the east. As twilight begins tomorrow Saturn nears the horizon, dipping into the murky atmospheric filter as Venus rises, leaving Jupiter and Mars with the morning star.